Some of the most popular use cases of browse.ai are monitoring tasks. Things like price monitoring to track competitive pricing or discounts, or job post monitoring to track listings across multiple platforms, or social media monitoring to track mentions of your brand online. I'm going to jump over to Product Hunt to demonstrate how we can do something like that with browse.ai. I'm going to search for something that interests me. Let's say automation. I want the last 7 days only. I'll apply this. And now I'll take this URL up here that gives me exactly what I want, copy it, and build a new robot on browse.ai to monitor site changes. First step is going to be to paste that URL down here. You'll notice there is a pre-built robot, but for the sake of demo, I'm going to build one from scratch. A window pops up, and the robot is waiting for me to do something. You'll see a message over here telling you what's happening. We'll click OK, understood. Now I'll click on the robot to bring up this menu. Capture list is what I want to do. I'm going to capture this list of items over here. So I'll hover until I see list item 1, 2, 3 and hover over what I want to capture. So this, I'll take the name and I'll take the description and I'll take the number of ratings and followers, and how about categories here? Oh, and one last thing over here, the link. And when you're done, you can press enter and start naming these variables. So product name, description, you can press enter after you're done typing, ratings, enter, and followers, enter, and categories, enter. Oh, one, I keep forgetting about link, and link. And we're done. So now we need to name this list. Let's name it something like products from PH in automation. And I'll limit it to 50 results. Should be more than enough. And you'll see a multitude of options for pagination here. In this case, if you're not sure, you can always say that there are no more items or scroll down to load more items. And I'll capture this list and we'll finish recording here. So now it's time to name my robot. I like to give these something descriptive so that they don't all get mixed up. So PH automation products past 7 days, since we set that in the URL. Now for the monitor, since I said it's every 7 days, I'm going to make this a weekly monitor. I'll choose Sunday. There's an arbitrary day, and noon. Again, just an arbitrary time. So noon on Sundays, I will run this and get the past week's worth of products in the automation. I don't want emails, and let's save it. Now, if we scroll down a bit here, we'll see a table with the data that the robot was able to scrape. I can click to see all the items. Yep, this looks perfect. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see a screenshot of what the robot saw on the left here, as well as the steps that it took to capture all of my data. If you review it and everything looks good, just click on the green button that says, yes, looks good. Now you'll notice here it says created by default monitor. Let's go to the monitor tab to see what that is. Default monitor. Okay, that's the one we created earlier. I'm going to actually rename it. Something more descriptive. Automation products every week. And let's save it. Now let's say I want to create a second monitor for something else on that website. Maybe a different category. So not automation, but something else is very popular right now. How about AI? So I can change this query here, AI, change the monitor name to AI products past week. And I don't want emails. And then we will change it to 1 week. Again, let's just do Sunday at noon. So now we've got 2 monitors for 2 separate categories. Did not have to train a second robot. And let's save it. Now that we've got a robot and monitors, let's go to the Integrate tab so we can send that data somewhere. You could choose from Google Sheets or Airtable, or use an automation platform like Zapier or Pabbly Connect, Make.com, Integrately, or get a bit more advanced with webhooks and REST API. And that was a brief look at how to use browse.ai to monitor websites and extract data from them. See you next time.